Katanat District Medical and Health Officer jang kathemri Bhoi kelapan long ka Sngewnguh ikinos ki Asha bat ya baro kinong tre jang katanat kakot kakia. Yakani ka jingelang Sngewnguh lapan long ha UCC College Umbir hakaba u arped upadhaya DC Bhoi District ulalong ukongsan. Haka jingelang bakerpang ukongsan ulaya ro bat nyautang yaki mati bakensai bakini kinong tre bajarjar na shalendet ki ai ki jing syakri pat ba ki bakongsan bat bajanai.
With the help of the district administration, we have received generators at the CHC.
Which I feel to be a part of our annual meeting, and I missed it in the last 2 years, but thankfully I will be here this time. And more than anything, I would like to express personal thanks to all of you for a wonderful work, for giving me some of the moments that I will always cherish in my career. When I got the first posting as Deputy Commissioner, Bhoi district, and Bhoi is an aspiration district of Meghalaya. So there was a huge pressure on health and nutrition, and we started understanding it was a new thing for me, and I made it my personal target that I just want to improve at least 2-3 indicators, whether it is institutional delivery, routine immunization, ANC, number of ANC and the quality of ANC. So these were the 4-5 determinants, the 4-5 indicators which I felt that I would like to achieve it to a certain level. And thankfully, by your support, by your hard work, by your relentless working in such challenging situation, we have seen an overall improvement in the institutional delivery, which has increased, I think, around 80%, 87%, and I started it was 68%. And even in the routine immunization, we are at 85% as per the last financial year. So these are the 2-3 things that I made a target of for myself, and you all have helped me in achieving these indicators. That is why I would personally like to express my gratitude, my sincere thanks to you, to your such a wonderful work that you have given me my memories for future, and this being the first posting as Deputy Commissioner. If I am able to achieve these things here, these achievements, it will always drive me in my future